What's up guys, I'm Kapitan from Taste of Asian Food. Panang curry is one of the most popular Thai cuisine and it's easy to make and it's super delicious. Now I've just had my favorite curry in the restaurant last week for dinner and I'm itching to try to replicate it at home. So I purchased a ready-made Panang curry paste online, but I soon realized that it is not that difficult to make it from scratch since it is quite similar to another curry that I have made before, that is a Kapitan chicken curry. The main difference is that there is no fish sauce and peanut in the Kapitan chicken recipe. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the delicious Panang curry from scratch. Pretty sure we need chilies to make curry, and in this recipe, dry chili is preferred. Cut the dry chili into half and shake out the seeds inside. Then add some water to the dry chilies to soften it. Set it aside for at least 15 minutes. We also need some shallots. Cut the shallots into small pieces like that. Coriander roots. I've used the leaves of the coriander for other recipe and I keep the roots. So today I will use the roots to make the curry paste. Lemongrass. So what you need is to cut away both sides. This one, we don't need this. And the center part, that's what we need. Remove the outer shaft, the outer layer that is fibrous, which I also don't use it, and I only use the center part, which is this one, and bash it, then cut it into small pieces. 5 cloves of garlic, coarsely chopped. The zest of the kaffir lime. And chop the zest of the lime coarsely. Galangal. Remove the skin, which is quite hard and fibrous. Then cut it into small pieces for easy blending. Get ready some Thai shrimp paste. It looks like that. Roasted coriander seeds and cumin seeds, plus some roasted peanuts. There's so much ingredient in this Panang curry paste and you can imagine how delicious it is. But if you're not like me, someone who wants to do things from scratch, what you can do is buy a store-bought curry paste. It looks like this and it has all these ingredients inside one packet. Also, the traditional way is to use a mortar and pestle to pound all these ingredients. Today, I want to speed things up by using the electric blender. I'll start by blending the dry ingredients first. Then followed by the remaining ingredients. And some water to facilitate blending. I also add some chili powder to improve the color. Okay, the curry paste is ready. Alright, now let's start to cook the curry. What we have done just now was making the curry paste. So if you are using the store-bought curry paste, the recipe actually starts from here. Here is a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. The coconut milk is quite thick. Now the volume has been reduced and what is left is mainly the coconut oil. And I'm going to use this coconut oil to saute the curry paste. After a few minutes, the paste will start to thicken as the water has evaporated. Get a few pieces of kaffir lime leaves, roll it up, and then cut the leaves into very fine julienne. And some palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use brown sugar as a substitute. At this point, add the chicken to the curry paste. Add the coconut milk and bring it to a boil. As I'm using the fresh coconut milk, which is quite thick, so I add a little bit more water. Season with fish sauce. Salt, pepper, and the palm sugar. Continue simmer over low heat for another 5 minutes or until the gravy is thickened. And there you go, the Panang curry is ready. The kaffir lime leaves, and garnish with some chili and more kaffir lime leaves, and decorated with some coconut milk. It's absolutely delicious, especially go with steamed rice. That's how to make Panang curry. You can either start with making the curry paste from scratch or use the store-bought curry paste. Which way you prefer, let me know in your comments. And if you want to get a recipe, I've included the recipe in the description below the video. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again in some other similar video. Bye for now.